Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're in full-on party mode with a garden-fresh char-grilled salsa recipe. Let's go! For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of tomatoes, 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 jalapeno, 1/4 cup cilantro, and salt and pepper to taste. We'll also be kicking things up with our El Yucateco Habanero and Chiltepin. Begin by grilling your tomatoes, peeled onion, and jalapeno on clean grill grates over direct medium heat. Do this for about 15 minutes, flipping as needed to get a good char and allow them to begin to soften. Once they're done to your liking, just let them rest for about 10 minutes, and if you'd like a smoother consistency, you can remove the skin here. Or just peel the stem from that jalapeno and place everything right into the blender. Now add in your peeled garlic, cilantro, the juice from 1/2 lime, salt and pepper to taste, and 1/2 ounce of our El Yucateco Habanero and Chiltepin sauce. Just blend everything up to your desired consistency, allow it to cool, serve it up, and enjoy. Your family and friends are gonna love this recipe, and we appreciate you watching today's video. Don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. See you on the next one.